Hi everyone! Christmas is coming, so it's time to play Jingle Bells. I made a really easy beginner-friendly guitar arrangement, which I'm going to demonstrate at the end of this video. And today in this lesson I'll show you how to play it. First, let's briefly look at the chords we are going to need. Pay attention to the fingering, because some chords in this arrangement are played a little bit different than you probably used to play them. There are only 4 chords we are going to use today. D, G, A7, E7. This arrangement is played with the fingers of the right hand without any strumming, so it allows to simplify some chords. For example, in G we don't need to put the first finger on the 5th string, because we won't play it. You will see the letters showing which finger of your right hand you should use. The letter P means you need to use your thumb. P because it's short from Spanish name of the thumb, pulgar. The I means you should use your index finger, and the M your middle finger. In this arrangement we won't need the ring finger, but just in case it's indicated by the letter A. Now I'll show you my right hand while playing the chords. D. Here we need only first 4 strings, with the bass on the 4th string. G. In this chord we will play the 6th string as a bass, with either the strings 1, 2 and 3 or 2, 3 and 4. A7. The bass is on the 5th string. We will combine it with the first 3 strings, or with the strings 2, 3 and 4. E7. The bass is on the 6th string, and we'll add 3 first strings to it. In the first bar we need to take a full D chord with the left hand. The right hand starts with playing 2 strings at a time, the 4th and the 3rd. You can use your thumb and index finger. Then play the first string with the middle finger. Open the first string and play it one more time with the index finger. This technique of alternating the index and the middle fingers will remain through the entire arrangement. The last note in this bar is played on the 2nd string with the middle finger. The second bar starts the same way as the first, playing 2 strings at a time, but this time it will last longer, for 2 beats. Then we need to play the 4th open string. We will play it with the thumb, which is followed by the 3rd string with the first finger on the 2nd fret, played with the index finger of the right hand. The 3rd bar is just the same as the first. We'll start the 4th bar by playing the G major chord this way. Here we only need to put the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. And that's it. The right hand should play the following strings: 6, 4, 3 and 2. Then the thumb plays the bass. The next bar starts the same, G major chord in the same position, but then we'll play 3 notes on the 1st string while keeping the chord sound. So the G major chord is followed by the notes on the 3rd and 2nd frets, and then an open 1st string, like this. Pay attention, here I use the 4th and the 1st fingers. The next bar is A7 chord, starting from the 5th string. Then let's repeat the bass with the thumb. After that we are going to play open bass on the 5th string, also with the thumb, and the melody on the 1st string, alternating the middle and the index finger. The bass with the melody, only melody, one more time the bass with the melody and only melody. The last bar of the verse is a D major chord, followed by the bass note on the fourth string played with a thumb. Let's play the verse part all together. It should be played twice. Now we are getting to the chorus part. It starts with a D major chord played for 2 bars like this. Here we'll play the melody note after the chord. Then we'll play the following melody with the bass, just as we did before with the A7 chord, but this time we'll play the 4th open string. The melody is on the 2nd and 5th frets on the 1st string, then on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and is followed by the open 1st string. We will start playing the melody with the index finger, alternating it with the middle finger. The next bar is just a D major chord with the bass on the open 4th string. So it will sound like this. The next bar starts with a G major chord played like this. Here we will do the same thing as we did with the first 2 bars of the chorus. We will add the melody after playing the chord. The next bar is a D major chord with an added note on the 3rd fret. We will play it only once, then continue by playing a normal D chord in the same way. Now we are getting to an E7 chord. Pay attention to the fingering. The last bar is an A7 chord in 2 different positions. The first one and the second. So it will sound like this. Now we need to repeat the chorus, only changing the last 2 bars. It will sound like this. The one before the last one is a melody over an A7 chord, which we already played in the verse. And the very last bar is a D major chord. That's it. Take your time, make sure to use the right fingering, and don't worry, it will get better with practice. Now I'll play the entire arrangement. You can practice with me.